Hey everyone! Ever stumbled upon a tricky math problem and wished there was a simple trick to solve it? Well, today I'm about to reveal a neat mathematical principle that can turn you into a fraction wizard in no time. It's called Componendo and Dividendo, and trust me, it's going to change the way you handle fractions. All right, let's dive straight in. Imagine you have a fraction, let's say 3/5. Now, according to the principle of Componendo and Dividendo, we can manipulate this fraction in a really cool way. So how does it work? First, you take your original fraction, in our case 3/5. Then you add the numerator and denominator together and also subtract the denominator from the numerator. This gives us two new numbers. Adding them, we get 3 plus 5, which is 8. Subtracting, we get 3 minus 5, which is -2. Now, here's where the magic of Componendo and Dividendo comes into play. You form a new fraction with these two results. So we take 8 and divide it by -2. And what do we get? That's right, -4. But wait, there's more to it. Under this rule, this new fraction we've calculated, which in our case is -4, is actually equal to the absolute value of the original fraction raised to the power of 1 divided by the power of the new fraction. Confused? Let me break it down. The absolute value of our original fraction, 3/5, equals 0.6. When we take the absolute value of -4, which is just 4, and calculate 0.6 raised to the power of 1/4, guess what? It simplifies right back to our original fraction, 3/5. Incredible, right? This method can be super handy, especially when you're dealing with complex fractions in algebra or calculus. It's like having a mathematical superpower that simplifies fractions in a blink. But here's a pro tip before you rush off to amaze your friends or ace that math test. Always double check your calculations. Math is fun, but only when done right. So, next time you're faced with a daunting fraction, remember the Componendo and Dividendo trick. Play around with it, practice, and soon you'll be handling fractions like a pro. Who knew math could be this exciting? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this math trick. Keep exploring, keep calculating, and as always, stay curious.